So, what's going on? Watch list going into June 5th. We'll start off. We had MLGO go absolutely nuts today. MLGO. This was the hot name. This is exactly why I avoid these day one hot names that everybody's watching, because I end up getting myself stuck and fighting this type of stuff. So it's just easier for me to avoid it and avoid the headaches. And now at this point, now that it's done its move, it's either going to go higher or lower tomorrow. So I have no plan to guess which way this is going to go. But I'm going to wait for a daily structure to start to build on this. Similar to how I was looking at Allbet yesterday. We got that big run from 30 cents to 140. And typically I would like 2 red days, pull back for a first green day. Given that what's been working is kind of like a 3-day pattern. So I'm still going to watch this for a potential bounce off at like the 77 area. Could be 70, anywhere in this kind of range. These lows. See if they want to support that tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm going to be hoping for another red day and then potentially play a backside bounce. Would be how I would usually play it, but just given the current market environment, they seem to have been rewarding these third day moves. So I'll keep this one on watch tomorrow. Let me see here. ASTS. Stopped this one out. Lost, 5 cents, 4 cents, something like that. Nothing. It was almost flat. Played this downtrend break and it just didn't really go anywhere. But given these wicks, I'm thinking potential week open, maybe risk on 750s, play for an 860 break, something like that, and then the big picture 940s right there. It's up on earnings back from this day, which had its multi-day run, multi-day pullback, multi-day run, multi-day pullback, and now I'm expecting a potential multi-day run. So we'll see where we're at there tomorrow, but I like a trend join on this for a big picture breakout if 860s starts to break. NVOS, a bit frustrating here. I got stopped out by a couple pennies. I was a buyer all morning here. I had started some in off the week open, and I was risking these lows down towards 90 cents. Given that my plan was like a third day move, similar to how BNAI did. So I was expecting this once it broke its morning highs right here. I was expecting this to now start to churn. So I had moved my stop to low a day and added the rest of my position, which turns out to be a bit early, and they stopped me out by a couple pennies and then continued to hold again. Again, daily wicks, and it's still holding over $1 now. 3 days, close over $1. Maybe they're going for day 10 type thing. But I still really like the way this chart is setting up. I need that 124 to break. But I likely put on another position and then keep a bigger picture idea, scale through 124, scale through 140, and look for like a $2 move. So I'll be keeping an eye there. BNAI had its second red day, but volume dropped off too much. Only 1 million shares traded today, so it doesn't meet my dollar volume requirement for a bounce trade. So no real watch there. MNTS, I put on a small starter. It just keeps holding over under 70 cents. It did close weak. The other days it wicked and closed strong. So if the thing stays heavy, I'll bail on that starter. Not much size on it right now. I was waiting for 90s to break. BNZI, I put on a swing. They put out a PR this morning, so I bought the next pullback. And again, just a starter, not full size here. But I'm going to add through this 24 breakout. I think it might happen tomorrow. This candle isn't accurate. It closed more up here than down there. It was over 21s. So it was actually a decently strong close for this name. So I think this could break out tomorrow. So I'm going to keep swinging this position and hopefully add through 24s. Lucy hasn't died. This thing keeps going, hasn't broken its prior daily bar highs. So if this thing starts to break over $1, I think we could get going. I like how this one's holding the 70 cents as well. So plans tomorrow, I'm thinking ASTS, trend join, big picture breakout. Albet, potential first screen day, either tomorrow or the next day. See if volume can hold up. NVOS, big picture, buck hold. I think this one has a nice breakout coming in it. I like these lower wicks. MNTS, I'll just stop out under this, under 70. This daily candle doesn't look super strong. BNZI, a break of 24. And Lucy, trend join for an afternoon setup. Same kind of plan I had there yesterday. So I think that is about it. It's enough names on watch, a bunch of long ideas. Other than that, I will see you guys in the room tomorrow.